welcome. It's time to put on our real estate hat, and so I'm going to do that. And then to become a social butterfly. So now we have both of them on. So I have an Etsy shop that I want to share with you. You want to go and visit. It is for realtors and their marketing needs. I have one here that is classic pecan pie recipe. Let me get my glasses on so I can see it better. But the whole recipe fits here on this one tag, and you do get 6 tags on one sheet. But when you print out the template, you'd be able to print out, of course, more if you needed more than 6. Okay, so now, realtors, if you have anyone you want to refer to me, I'd be happy to help through the process here in the DFW area and show them around, and we'd be able to set up, of course, the correct documentation so that you would get commission paid at closing. And then non-realtors, I'd be happy to help you as well here in the DFW area. You can email me or message me, and we can set up an appointment to go over your real estate needs. Okay, now let's go ahead and move forward, and this is what I like to do. So I found this bag at Kroger, and you get like $75 for a fair price. Then also this confetti I found at Family Dollar that I like to include. And staying with the pecan pie theme, I thought this was really a cute little idea. And to get some fresh pecans and put it at the bottom of this bag. You can see what I did. I just cut up this corner here and put a bow around it. They're fresh pecans, and then a yellow confetti, the bottom, and then this cup is really fall, kind of cute, with the same theme. So put that in there together. And now what we'll do is get our business card included as well. Now we'd like to have a tiny key attached, just to be memorable, and include it here in the cup. Now, okay, so let's give it a quick spin, and now let's get our tag here. Oh, where's the one we cut? Oh, right here. Okay, and now what we'll want is a ribbon to put through it. And I just love the fall time. It gets me excited here for the holidays as well. So let's make this quick bow. All right, now we're almost done. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.